Hey everyone, Wyatt Everard here for Solar Energy World. We are here today just outside of Orlando at Winter Garden. Not the sunniest day in the Sunshine State, but still a very exciting day for Solar Energy World and several of the homeowners here. So let's go check in with them now and see what the installation looks like and talk to some of the key players who made this exciting day possible.
Oh, it was great. I mean, the crew arrived on time. I really appreciate they were here to work in this foul weather we're having today. It's quite cold and rainy, but they did great job up there.
So my name is Mia Brady, and I'm a Florida Program Associate with Solar United Neighbors. This is a really exciting installation to be at. This homeowner went solar through our Solar Switch program. This is a program that we're partnering with the city of Orlando and Orange County on to help residents and small businesses go solar.
My name is Mac. I'm the head of partnerships at iChoosr, and we work with Solar United Neighbors, City of Orlando, Orange County. This is the culmination of a whole bunch of steps that involve a whole bunch of different parties, including a national nonprofit, local governments, a leading installer in the area.
It's been a great investment, and going through the co-op especially, I can't imagine getting better pricing or better support.
You're seeing all these steps that they've taken to go solar actually come together, and it's really seeing that difference that they're going to make, investing in clean energy. It's such a great time to go solar.
I was the one that sold my parents on joining the co-op and going solar in this way. My own experience, I think, helped. I was able to help answer their questions and give them a real-world personal example of how going solar can work and how reliable it can be. I think they're going to be very pleased once the system is powered on and producing energy, and they're going to get those tiny electric bills just like I have.
Solar Energy World has been a really valuable partner for us, both in Solar Switch Florida 1 and also in the capital area where we run a couple of these programs as well. They're definitely one of the leaders in the area, and we're grateful for all the great work they do on the Solar Switch projects.
It's been a really great partnership. So definitely very happy with everything that we've seen from Solar Energy World. So thank you.
One of the amazing things about solar is you put the panels up and they turn them on and they pretty much work reliably, flawlessly, just churning out power every day and offsetting those electric bills.
You can't really enjoy the benefits of clean energy until you have it on your roof, until your system's operational. So there's really no better time than present.
Solar is such a great investment. It's such a great time to go solar. We definitely recommend, looking at what options are available to you, because it's a great time. Solar is the future. It's happening now, so it's really exciting.